Good morning, everyone. Angela here, and welcome to my art channel. Have you ever wondered how fluid artists mix their paints to get these beautiful pour cells? Well, today is your lucky day because I will show you step by step on how I mixed my paints to get stunning cells, and all for free. All you have to do is sit, relax, and watch these tutorials. My channel is packed with videos showing you how I use fluid paint to create beautiful art. If you enjoy and learn from my videos, please subscribe, like, and share with your friends and family as well as on your social media. God bless.